Have you got a shaky video you want to fix in CapCut on your computer? It's super simple, and I'll show you how to stabilize this in just a few steps. First, open CapCut on your computer and create a new project by clicking the plus new project button. Import your shaky footage by clicking import and then dragging it onto the timeline.
Next, click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Over on the right hand side of the screen, you'll see the editing options panel. Scroll down until you find the Stabilize option, then click on it. CapCut will automatically process your video. Depending on the length and resolution of your clip, this might take a moment, but be patient, the results are worth it. Once you've clicked the Stabilization tool, CapCut will give you a few settings to choose from. These typically include options like Recommended, Minimum Cut, and Most Stable. The recommended setting works well for most videos, but feel free to experiment with the others if needed.
After stabilization is complete, play back your video to check the result. If the stabilization feels too strong or causes unwanted cropping, you can adjust the settings and reapply. When you're happy with the stabilized video, export it by clicking the Export button in the top right corner. And that's it. You've fixed the shaky footage and made it look smooth and professional. I hope this tutorial helped.